Hey guys, we are going to the Handbuilt motorcycle show in this old building right here, right on the water in the Los Angeles ports. It's the first time I've ever been to a motorcycle show or anything in this venue, so we really wanted to come check it out. Excited?
I'm so excited.
We drank a lot last night. Holding on for dear life. Stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'm also going to be unboxing some new helmets, as well as giving you guys some updates on my life. So stay tuned. Now on to the rest of this video. Tsunami zone. Some bikes parked outside. Okay, little Sportsters. Nice. Handbuilt Show was originally a Texas show, I believe. Last year they hosted an event that was in downtown LA. I had my Panhead in it. This year I don't have a bike in it, but a lot of my friends do. I think it's actually in this building. The building I thought it was in, but it looks like it's in this one. And I'm just about to walk in. Pretty humongous room. This is just crazy large. Holy shit. Cody's looking impressed.
Sick bike.
Should I go yours?
Got one of them all.
Ripping one around. Cody wants me to ride one of these. So I just
Hey, this bike's as loud as you.
This is doggy under the truck. Look at that. That is the coolest thing ever. So cool. I've never been over here before. Check it out. The berth 60, 50. Everything to do with LA Port is so cool. Got some crazy bikes here. I think this is Carrie Hart's bike. The custom Saddleman seat is cool.
With his flip-flops coming, I was like, what are those?
What are those? Shreddy motor. Lit on fire. Bike stuck in shot fire by arson. This music is like trance music. This is my friend George's car.
That there's a Fendi bag that is identical to this, but it's Fendi. So Toyota just made a dupe of a Fendi bag and made it Toyota. Right? I'm like, ooh,
Matching.
yes.
Matching her car.
Really, but I got a Toyota, so I needed right? Copyrighted with the music on YouTube.
It's like bird sounds and like.
Like, who picked this?
Is this real? See, it's totally frogs. I was right.
Yeah, it's totally frogs.
We don't have frogs here.
I know, I feel like I'm gonna get hypnotized.
It's making me anxious.
This is like if you got abducted and the aliens were playing music while they were like fucking with your body. Lots of Indians here. A lot of Indians. I love the bars. That looks like a comfortable ride. Generator, shovel head. Oh my god. Lord, help me. I feel like the handlebar would just like rip off while you're riding. choppers, Yamaha choppers. Jump in. Carly, are you having fun at the Handbuilt Show?
Best. Woohoo.
What's your favorite vehicle here?
The lowrider is pretty cool.
Oh yeah, which one?
Well, one over there.
Say hi. Hi, YouTube. Always got to have a Cody in every one of my YouTube videos. We've seen pretty much everything in the show. I think we're gonna take off now and find a Michelada. We need one. Lots of bikes lined up here now. We'll check this event out and check this venue out, but we need a Michelada, so we are going to leave now.
Hit the like button.
Yeah, hit the like button. Very important. All right, couple updates. I just came out with a brand new hat from Axel Co. Here's my logo on it. I've been working on this hat for months now. Super excited to launch it today. It is a complete cut and sew design that I made with my designers, and it is unique to Axel Co, just like most of our gear. Like the t-shirts I make, they're literally made for Axel Co and are only sold by Axel Co. I do not print on blanks. Brand came first before my YouTube channel, so I'm not just selling merch just because I have subscribers. I have had Axel Co long before I made any YouTube content. Okay, next on the agenda, I got 2 new helmets from Bell Helmets and I wanted to unbox them with you guys. Oh, I also wanted to tell you guys my sister had a baby today. It's her second baby and it's her first girl. It's my first niece and her name is Darla. I'm really excited to have a new member of our family and be an auntie because I will never have my own kids. So thank you to my sister and congratulations to her on a healthy birth of her baby. The first helmet I want to unbox is the new Bullitt GT Gloss Black. I have it in a size small. I will say I have always wore extra small in the Bullitt for the last 10 years. And now with their new design, I wear a small. So the sizing has changed a little bit. But now across the board with the Eliminator and all the other Bell helmets, I am a size small. Bullitt was the only helmet I was a size extra small in, so take that information with you as you need. New Bullitt GT is their updated model of the Bullitt. You still can buy the original Bullitt, but the GT is different. It has a seal around the face. So now the shield like completely seals in while you're riding and there is no shield shake. Also, another new thing is that it has a completely different shield removal process here, where you'll see if you buy one, the instructions here, shield up, push and slide. So you just open the shield, push the middle part in and you slide it back, and that's how you remove it now. So there's no more hardware involved. Another cool thing that just came out with the Bullitt GT is that each helmet comes with 2 of these. So you can run this helmet without a shield, but yeah, then it looks kind of cool without a shield as well. I feel like this helmet fits me extremely well because it doesn't shift around and it's tight, but it's not too tight. It will also pack in a little bit. So this is how it looks. It still has the button mechanism and the strap mechanism that we all know and love. One of my favorite helmets ever made. Belle just made it better. Thank you, Belle. I love it. I love this helmet, truly. All right, the second helmet I'm unboxing today is the Belle Eliminator in a size small gloss black. I already have this helmet. You guys have seen it on me a million times. I wore it so much that it's just time for a new one. Oh, baby, that's a freshie. It's like a newborn baby. 2 new babies today. This one and my sister's baby. First thing I do is always take off this little sticker right here. Don't forget to remove the inner one too. It's very hard to tell that it's on here. All right, so that's how it looks with the cover on the holes. It still looks cool. I definitely like the look of it better without it on, but this piece literally just pops in to 2 of the holes and has like a bit of foam on the sides. And then magnetic, just like that. That's how an Eliminator looks on me. It might look differently on other people. I have an extremely small head, so it might look like this helmet's too big for me because my head's just small. If you guys have any questions about Belle helmets, I have been wearing Belle helmets for my entire life, literally my entire life. So ask me. I am sponsored by Belle, but I also only am sponsored by brands that I actually wear and use, and wouldn't wear or use any other helmet rather than Belle. That's all for this video. I am waiting for my dad to show up because we're going to have a weekend together riding motorcycles. I'll be making a video about that as well. So stay tuned. Let me know what you guys would like to see from my channel. Like and subscribe. Love you all. I'm out.